gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the Math Circus! Introducing Kooky Clown, who will never let you down! Introducing Dumbbell Dave, who lived in a cave! Introducing Mr. Mathmystic, who's always so optimistic! So, sit down, take a seat, pay attention, and welcome once again to the Math Circus! And now, here we have Mr. Mathmystic, the man who is always so cryptic.
It seems for the next one, you're gonna have to use something special. Let me see. Oh yeah, it's your brain.
And now, here is Kooky Clown, the clown with the upside-down frown.
Have you guessed what we're doing today? You're absolutely right! We're measuring again! I love measuring! So, by the time this game is over, you will be able to compare and order length. And you will be able to record lengths using greater than, less than, and equals. I can't wait! Let's get started! Come on, here we go! Let's think about what we've been talking about in measuring length. What units do we use to measure length? That's right. We use meters and we use centimeters. How many centimeters are there in 1 meter? Fantastic! There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Let's play another game. Get your whiteboards and your whiteboard markers. I'm going to do the same sort of game that we did last time. I'm going to call out a number of meters and you write how many centimeters that is. Are you ready? How many centimeters are the same as 3 meters? That's great! 300 centimeters. How many centimeters are the same as 1.5 meters? This one is a little bit more difficult. Give it a think. Remember, 1/2 meter is the same as 50 centimeters. So how many centimeters are there in 1.5 meters? Okay, some of you had a bit of a problem with that. That's okay, you just need to practice some more. 1.5 meters is 150 centimeters. Okay, let's do the opposite. I'm going to call out a number of centimeters and you're going to write how many meters that is. Okay, are you ready? How many meters are there in 400 centimeters? Can't fool you. 400 centimeters is 4 meters. Okay. How many meters are there in 650 centimeters. Again, remember, 50 centimeters is the same as half a meter. So work out the 600 centimeters first, then work out the 50 centimeters. Good, a lot of you got that. Some are still a bit confused, but that's okay. We're going to be practicing this game more another time. 650 centimeters is 6.5 meters. That is super. For this next bit, I'm going to need some different lengths. Who can I ask to help me choose some different lengths? You're right. The one we need is Mr. Mathmystic. Let's give him a call. Ready? Mr. Mathmystic!
Yeah.
There you are. Mr. Mathmystic, we need 2 different lengths. Can you help us?
Interesting.
Ooh. 15 centimeters.
Boom.
And 36 centimeters. That's fantastic. Thanks, Mr. Mathmystic. We'll call you if we need you. Very good. Let's take a look at these 2 different lengths. 15 centimeters and 36 centimeters. One of them is longer than the other. Which one is the longer one? Very good. 36 centimeters is longer. Okay. We need to write a number sentence using these 2 numbers and a sign. A sign to show that one of these numbers is greater than the other number. Now we have a sign that means greater than. Do you remember what it is? You're absolutely right. That is the greater than sign. So, we need to put the 36 first, good, and then the greater than sign, and then the 15 centimeters. So, excellent. Now, our number sentence reads, 36 centimeters is greater than 15 centimeters. Fantastic! All right. I think we need 2 more numbers. Shall we call Mr. Mathmystic again? I think so too. Ready? Mr. Mathmystic! We need you again! Fabulous! We need 2 more lengths. What do you have for
Oh
us?
yeah, I remember that number.
50 centimeters
That's good.
and 29 centimeters. That's excellent. Thanks, Mr. Mathmystic. Okay. Now, which of these 2 lengths is shorter? That's right. 29 centimeters is shorter. So, now we need a math sentence that shows that the 29 centimeters is less than the 50 centimeters. Which sign do we need? You guys are so good. We need the less than sign. So, what is our number sentence going to look like? Good, the 29 centimeters, and then the less than, and then the 50 centimeters. That is so good. So if we read this number sentence, it is going to say 29 centimeters is less than 50 centimeters. Ah, you guys are remembering everything. Fantastic. Take a look at this number sentence. We have a 20 centimeters. We have an equals, and we have a 20 centimeters. Now, if we were going to read this number sentence in words, how would we read it? 20 centimeters is the same as 20 centimeters. That makes sense, doesn't it? We remember that equals means the same as. Let me remove one of those 20 centimeters. I want to put something else in the place of that 20 centimeters. It needs to be something that is the same as 20 centimeters. So, I know 10 plus 10 is the same as 20. So I could put that sum on that side. 20 centimeters is the same as 10 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. Isn't that fabulous? Let's try another one. Oh, I know. 25 take away 5 is 20. So I could write 20 centimeters is the same as 25 centimeters take away 5 centimeters. That is spectacular. What do you think?
Well done, dude. You managed. Well, of course I knew you would. Get it?
And today's Math Circus concludes. But, as Mr. Mathmystic always says, the future is certain, so we will see you again.